Rex Education started the Educampion advocacy with the Filipino learner in mind and in heart.
Let us remember that the flame of education will continue to burn bright as long as there are champions among us, working together, supporting one another, becoming the best that we can be, and most importantly, making a difference not only for ourselves, but for others.
Your dedication and innovative approach to early childhood education inspire us all. Sana nga all. Pero hindi sana all, dapat all.
I am elated and overwhelmed by your continued trust and support in our endeavors. Ligawat Educampion is for you. Please indulge me as I quote a U.S. representative in the person of Bobby Scott. As I quote, "Today, education is perhaps the most important function of state and local governments." This is a fitting description of how we are all connected by education.
Sana po ay tularan tayo ng iba pang mga lokal na pamahalaan sa ating bansa upang maging mahusay ang paglilingkod sa ating mga nasasakupan.
Again, thank you very much and congratulations to all of us. May the good Lord continue to bless us and all the good works that we do. Thank you very much.
I earnestly hope that today and on every occasion, we declare in our one voice that we are united in purpose to reiterate, para sa bata, para sa mamamayan, para sa bayan. Marami pong salamat. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. God bless us all.